So we were able to get V1 here simply by following this formula. We talked about why the picture looks that way. We didn't talk about the formula. If you guys want to follow this stuff here, you can, or you can just have that basic formula there. If you're kind of stuck where the idea for this comes from, it wouldn't hurt to read these couple paragraphs again here, or go back a little bit. But basically, we're trying to find the two different things that are happening from gravity. So gravity is going to go, it's going to project some onto the block, and it's going to project some exactly perpendicular. Okay. So we know to get the second vector here, we simply need to take v and subtract v1 to it, because we talked about the sum is, connecting tip to tail here. So once we got v1, if I want to go find v2, I need to take the original v. So I'm going to say 2, 1, and I'm going to subtract it from 3/2, 3/2. So 2 minus 3/2 is 1/2 I. 1 minus 1.5 is minus 1/2 j. And notice I switched between notations a little bit there, just for simplicity's sakes. You're going to see your answers in i's and j's all the time. Here's what all that work was basically doing. Okay, so we had to take that box and the gravity and kind of rotate this thing upside down. So the blue one is our gravity. This is the V1 here, okay, that we kind of projected what part of that is going onto it. So if we get the V coming here and we got W, we're basically trying to complete this into a right triangle. So here's the perpendicular thing here. How much extra do we need to go in order to match up to this original V here? Okay. How much extra do we need to go in this direction as well? So this little piece is the V1. This little perpendicular piece is the V2 right there. Okay. And those pieces will complete that guy right there. Okay. We'll look at applications of work and how we do some problems with planes and different things here tomorrow, but that's plenty for you guys to think about tonight. So any questions you have, make sure you bring them in and we'll start practicing tomorrow.